best way make your day comes to is to wake up. A very warm good morning to everyone. Today I'm Inwar with my group member Neha Kuswa and Simradhan. Today we are here to present the presentation topic is Pepsi brand. Now start with introduction first. So Pepsi brand is carbonated soft drink produced and manufactured by PepsiCo. He is developed in 1898 and introduces brand's drink. It is was later renamed as Pepsi Cola on June 60, 93, then Pepsi is 1961. Pepsi Cola is the one of largest soft drink industries which operate in Australia. The main products of companies comprises of different soft drink including like Pepsi, Pepsi Light, Pepsi Max, 7 Up, etc. Now, second slide, the Pepsi brand of history. So Pepsi Cola is just like a Coca-Cola. It's a creation of American pharmacists in 1893. 5 years after introduction of Coca-Cola, is Caleb Abraham began to survey his customers' brands of drink from on of soda machine because it is the positive reaction of soda machine. So he was decided to begin his advertising in 1898. He named of his Pepsi Cola. So he's the founded in the Pepsi Cola company is 92. Pepsi Cola is a big success of United States. The Pepsi Cola company decided to export drinks of Mexico in 97. So other country was following soon. Now the promotion of Pepsi brand. So Indra K. Nui is the president of PepsiCo is addition to the company's CFO. Recently the board of director elected to Stephen S. renamed chairman of the board and chief executive officers. PepsiCo is co-organized to event of dedications, talent of sustainability and dedication to Asian American employees 2009 best company for Asian Pacific American from Asian Entrepreneurs top 10 companies in Asian American from MBA. And PepsiCo CEO is named of the best company for multicultural women list by working in Mother magazine. Now further slide will be continued by Neha. Thank you.
Price should not be lower or higher. Product of price are fixed by PepsiCo. Price should be set according to the product demand of public. Price should be that which give the company maximum revenue. It provides credit facility to the distribution which help them in proper running of their business. Next one is competition. Price competition with Coca-Cola is quite among equal, which can help title the balance toward one direction. Reducing the price of the carbonated soft drink produced would only trigger a price war. The result would only be reduced price margin for both these companies and no competitive advantage objectives. Next one is targeting and positioning. PepsiCo use multi-segment type of positioning and according it targets more than one customer segment at the same time with different produced or service packages. For example, Pepsi Cola is positioned as soft drink that tasted good as her personalities.
Simran Jain going to present our slide on SWOT analysis of Pepsi. There we go. Strength. PepsiCo dominates through their three brands in industry. Frito-Lay alone world leader. Product expansion annually salary increase. Now weaknesses. Coca-Cola dominates the carbonate cold drink in market. Increase in the price of raw material. Corporates through cold industry. Now opportunities. Company has strong brand name. Company has a good reputation. Long-term intention and expansions. No, it's threat opportunities. Opportunity. Company has a strong brand name. Company has a good reputation. Long-term intervention expansion. Threat. Possibility of removal of international trade and barriers. No, there we go. Conclusion. PepsiCo growth has been boosted by its thriving snacks business. The company said that this is a year that is expected to third of its top line growth. However, certain scenario could impact a growth forecast for PepsiCo. Thank you.